Next property is what? Commutative property of addition and multiplication. This time I don't want to take select all the more mathematical operations. What they mention, addition and multiplication. Whatever be the numbers you took, whatever be the numbers you take means that number should be whole numbers. Whatever be the whole numbers you can select. So they that two are. So addition and multiplications are holds good for commutative property. So don't worry, I will take one example. I will select two numbers. Tell me you only which numbers. Shall I select 7 and 3? Okay, 7 and 3 are two whole numbers. Okay, so first one addition. What is that? 7 plus 3. First one what? 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, so reverse it. Reverse means, so 7 plus 3, 10. 3 plus 7, how much? 10. Is it right? 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 plus 7 is also 10. Okay. When the numbers are changed, you also get what? Same number, same answer. So here I will write, what is that commutative property of addition? A plus B equals to what? B plus A. This is the commutative property of CP, means commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition. Whatever be the number you can select. For example, one more example I will select. So 11 and 13. Okay, that two are whole numbers. Okay, example 2. This is example 1. So 11 plus 13, how much? 24. 11 plus 13, how much? 24. Reverse the numbers. 13 plus 11, how much? 13 plus 11 is also 24. Means both LHS and here this is also 24, this is also 24, or you can write 11 plus 13, reverse it, 13 plus 11. So 11 plus 13 is 24, 13 plus 11 also 24. It means both LHS equals to RHS. New words are came. What is new words? LHS. LHS ಅಂದ್ರೆ left hand side, right hand side. When both LHS equals to RHS, that property holds good. So what can I write? Commutative property holds good for addition operation. We'll write here commutative property. Commutative property holds good. Holds good means satisfied. Holds good for addition. Okay. So this is what commutative property. Keep in mind. Commutative property. It will come also next in higher classes. A plus B equals to B plus A. Don't go for remember these things. These are the just example, but the main thing is formula is A plus B equals to B plus A. Okay. So one more is there. Addition is over. Next multiplication. So again I will take, first I will take example for multiplication. Okay. So I will take 3 and 4. Okay. So product 3 into 4 how much? 12. Change the order. 4 into 3 how much? 12. Okay. Or you can write 3 into 4 equals to 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Both LHS equals to RHS. How can you write A into B equals to B into A? So this is nothing but what? Commutative property holds good for addition. Commutative property holds good for which operation? Multiplication. So this is what commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. Finally, how to write? So statement, conclusion. This is what conclusion, what I written. This is conclusion. Commutative property holds good. Holds good is nothing but satisfy. Satisfy for addition. Similarly, commutative property holds good or satisfy. Holds good for multiplication. Okay. So this is the for commutative property holds good for addition as well as multiplication. A plus B equals to B plus A. This is for addition. A into B equals to B into A. This is for multiplication. Okay, students. So now just we discussed the closure property and commutative property. Closure property, whole numbers are closed under which operations? Addition and multiplication. Commutative property holds good for addition and multiplication. What are the formulas for commutative property? Just now we discussed a plus b equals to b plus a. This is commutative property of addition, and a into b equals to b into a. This is the commutative property of multiplication. And the third one property is what? Associative property of addition and multiplication. So first here I will write the associative property of addition. Associative property of addition. See, in previous commutative property we taken only two numbers. For this one we taken three numbers. Before going to that, first I will write the formula. What is the formula? A plus b bracket close plus c equals to a plus b plus c, so bracket. Okay, so here you can take any three whole numbers. I will take the three whole numbers, 3, 5 and 9. So I took three whole numbers. So 3 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number, 9 is a whole number. With the help of example, how it is equal both. So here, first it is called what? LHS, and this is called what? RHS. Left hand side and right hand side. When both are equal, this condition is satisfied. Okay. So here I took three whole numbers, 3, 5, 9. Okay. So first I will write a plus b. You can write also a value 3, b value 5 and c value 9. Okay. So a plus b plus c. So just put the values. 3 plus 5. First I will write LHS because I will start LHS. LHS bracket. First bracket is there. A plus b. A plus b means 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. After that plus is there, put a plus. And what is that? 9. Okay. So 3 plus 5 how much? 8. And plus as it is. 8 plus 9 how much? 17. This is what LHS value? 17. LHS value how much? 17. Now go for RHS. RHS, our right hand side. So here what is that? First a value 3. Bracket. Bracket what? B plus C. B value 5 and C value 9. 5 plus 9. So here equals to 3 as it is. Always open the bracket first. 5 plus 9 how much? 5 plus 9 is 14. So 14 plus 3 how much? 17. See, observe both LHS and RHS value same. So LHS equals to RHS. You can take any three whole numbers. You will always get what? LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, finally, how can you write the conclusion? So, how to write the conclusion? So, associative property holds good. Associative property holds good is nothing but satisfy. Associative property holds good for which operation? Associative property holds good for addition. Which operation we did? Addition. See, which operation is there? Addition. Okay. So this is the first conclusion. What is that? Associative property of addition. Formula a plus b bracket a plus b plus c equals to a plus bracket of b plus c. Okay. So next I will go for associative property of multiplication. So just I will change that here. Multiplication. Here instead of plus sign, you just put what? Multiplication symbol. So a into b in bracket close into c. Here a into bracket a into c. This is LHS. So and I will take the same examples. Okay. So how to start that? LHS and RHS. Okay. So LHS value. What are the LHS value? A value 3, B value 5, C value 9. LHS A into B. A into B first bracket. A is 3, B is 5. 3 into 5. Okay. into is there, into, and C value 9. Okay, so 3 pies are how much? 15. 3 pies are how much? 15. 15, and what is the sign? Into is there, 9. 15 nines are how much? 15 tables. If you don't know the 15 tables, here, but you must and should add up to 20. So 9 pies are 40 pi. So 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 4, 13. So 15 nines are how much? 130 pi. So LHS value how much you got? What is mean by LHS? Left hand side. This side is called left hand. This side is called right hand side. So what is that next? LHS value how much you got? 130 pi. And RHS value. So first you write A value 3, into is there, into, bracket is there, bracket, B value 5 and C value 9. Okay. So here 3 into 5 nines are how much? First always open the bracket. Bracket value should be calculated. 5 nines are how much? 40 pi. So now 40 pi into 3. 40 pi into 3. 3 pi's are 15. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 135. Here also for multiplication also you got what? LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, associative property holds good for which operation? Multiplication. Multiplication. So this is the conclusion for both addition as well as multiplication. So finally, I will write both formulas once again. So associative property of addition. What is that first one? Addition. A plus B bracket plus C equals to A plus bracket B plus C. This is what? Associative property of addition. And for multiplication, A instead of plus into B into C equals to A into B bracket B into C. This is what? Associative property of addition and associative property of multiplication. Okay. So these two are the things we discussed. So okay students, so the last property is what? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So here I will write the first formula. So what is that formula? Here also three numbers will come, A, B, C. So A into B plus C equals to, very simple, A into B, I will write A into B bracket, this A into B, plus is there, plus, and A into C. This is what? Distributive property of multiplication over the addition. So here I will take some example. So here you can take any three whole numbers. So I will take a three whole numbers, 1, 5, 7. Okay. So I will take A value 1, B value 5, C value 7. So 1 pi 7, instead of 1 pi 7 you can take any three whole numbers, but for your convenience I will take small numbers. Okay. So understanding the concept is important, not for numbers. Okay. So here this is what? LHS and this is what? RHS. Again same calculation. First I will start from LHS, left hand side. So what is that LHS value? A into bracket of B plus C. What is A value? A value is what? 1. So I will put 1 into. What is B value? 5. Plus is there, plus. And what is C value? 7. Okay. So here 1 as it is, into as it is. Always first calculate the bracket value. So 5 plus 7 how much? 12. Okay. Now between two, which operation is that? Multiplication. 1 into 12 how much? 12 itself only. Finally you got the answer. What is that LHS value? LHS value is 12. Okay. Now start RHS. What is RHS value? A into B. So plus is there, plus A into C. Okay. So here A value is what? 1. 1 into B value is what? B value is what? 5. 5 plus is there, plus. Next again A value 1. C value is what? 7 into 7. 1 into 5. 5 plus is there, plus 1 into 7, 7. So 5 plus 7, 12. Again you got RHS value 12. So it means both LHS equals to RHS. For any three whole numbers, so the distributive property of multiplication over addition is satisfied. So finally, how you write? Therefore, A into bracket of B plus C equals to means this is equals to what? A into B plus A into C. Put a bracket. Okay. Okay, students. Just we discussed now closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property of multiplication over addition. Just I will recall all the properties. So closure property holds good for addition and multiplication. So just I will write shortly addition and multiplication. Okay. So next, commutative property. What is the formula of commutative property? A plus B equals to B plus A. This is what? Commutative property of which operation? Addition. Commutative property of addition. So next, commutative property of multiplication. A into B equals to B into A. This is what? Commutative property of multiplication. Okay, so two properties over. This is first one. Second one is commutative property. Third one, associative property. Associative property of addition. A plus B bracket plus C equals to A plus bracket of B plus C. This is what? Commutative property of addition. This is what? This is what? Associative property of addition. Associative property of addition. Now what is that? One more, associative property of multiplication. Just instead of plus you just replace multiplication. Bracket of A into B into C equals to A into bracket of B into C. This is what? Associative property of multiplication. So next, fourth one, distributive property over the addition. So A into B plus C equals to A into B bracket plus A into C. So these are the three properties are very important: commutative property, associative property, and distributive property.